Welcome to the MVPAutoStudio. Some cars are built for transportation, but the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is built for pure luxury, a masterpiece where elegance, comfort, and performance come together in perfect harmony. From its stunning emerald green finish to its ultra-premium interior, this luxury sedan represents the highest level of automotive excellence. The Maybach S-Class carries an unmistakable road presence. Its long silhouette, flowing body lines, and chrome detailing create a timeless luxury appearance. Every angle reflects sophistication and prestige. The bold front grille instantly captures attention. Finished with elegant chrome accents and the iconic Maybach emblem, the front fascia feels both powerful and refined. The advanced digital LED headlights feature a crystal-inspired design with exceptional brightness and precision. Their sharp lighting signature gives the vehicle a futuristic and luxurious identity. Wheel design. The elegant multi-spoke Maybach wheels perfectly complement the luxury styling. Their premium polished finish enhances the car's sophisticated personality. Rear design. At the rear, slim LED taillights and smooth body lines create a clean and modern appearance. Every detail is designed with elegance in mind. Step inside, and the cabin immediately feels like a private luxury lounge. Soft ambient lighting, handcrafted materials, and advanced technology create a peaceful premium atmosphere. Dashboard. The dashboard combines traditional craftsmanship with futuristic technology. Beautiful wood trims, metallic finishes, and digital displays create a truly modern luxury experience. Steering wheel. The leather-wrapped steering wheel feels incredibly smooth and premium. Integrated touch controls provide effortless access to advanced driving features. Front seats. The front seats offer exceptional comfort with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Every journey becomes relaxing and luxurious. Rear executive seats. The rear seats deliver a true first-class experience. Passengers enjoy reclining comfort, extra legroom, and premium relaxation features designed for ultimate luxury. Front OLED display. The massive OLED infotainment display provides crystal-clear visuals and intelligent controls. Its smooth animations and futuristic interface elevate the driving experience. Rear entertainment screens. Dual rear entertainment displays transform the back cabin into a luxury entertainment suite. Passengers can enjoy media, navigation, and personalized comfort settings. Sliding sunroof. The panoramic sliding sunroof fills the cabin with natural light and openness. Its smooth operation adds another layer of elegance to the luxury interior. Ambient lighting. Dynamic ambient lighting creates a calm and futuristic environment inside the cabin. Multiple color themes allow the atmosphere to match every mood. Sound system. The premium Burmester 4D surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience with extraordinary clarity and depth. Driving assistance. Advanced driving assistance technologies make every journey safer and more comfortable. Adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, and intelligent safety systems work seamlessly together. Smart features. The Maybach includes advanced voice commands, fingerprint recognition, wireless charging, and intelligent climate controls for maximum convenience. Engine performance. Beneath the hood lies a powerful twin-turbo engine engineered for effortless performance. The acceleration feels smooth, refined, and incredibly quiet. Driving comfort. Advanced air suspension technology allows the Maybach to glide over roads with remarkable smoothness. Every drive feels calm, stable, and luxurious. Silent cabin experience. Exceptional sound insulation creates an almost silent cabin environment, allowing passengers to fully enjoy the comfort and luxury. Pricing section. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class stands among the world's most exclusive luxury sedans. Its premium craftsmanship, advanced technology, and elite comfort place it in the highest category of automotive luxury. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is more than a luxury car. It is a symbol of prestige, innovation, and elegance, designed for those who demand perfection in every detail. This is not just driving, this is the Maybach experience. If you enjoyed this cinematic luxury showcase, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And don't forget to turn on notifications for more premium automotive content.